Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Spotless System is probably one of the most talked about skincare solutions for acne. In this video, we're diving deep into the Rodan Fields Spotless System, exploring its ingredients, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from the cleanser to the acne treatment, giving you a comprehensive look at what this system offers and if it's the right choice for your skin. Number 5. Rodan Fields Redefine Regimen Skincare Kit. This rich cleanser purifies and polishes your skin. It deeply cleanses pores and gently exfoliates, revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion. This toner visibly tightens pores and improves skin tone. It also prepares your skin to better absorb the benefits of other products. This lightweight daytime moisturizer provides SPF 30 protection. It visibly reduces lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. This nourishing moisturizer replenishes and revitalizes your skin overnight. It visibly sculpts and firms for a youthful appearance. This skincare regimen includes a luxurious facial cleanser. It also has powerful ingredients to smooth wrinkles, boost firmness, and minimize pores for a youthful look. What we like? This skincare kit focuses on anti-aging with a luxurious cleanser and powerful ingredients. It helps smooth wrinkles and minimize pores. If you are looking for a comprehensive routine to combat signs of aging and achieve a youthful look, you should consider this. What people say. The Spotless Regimen has been a game changer for my skin. I have been using the Spotless Regimen for a few months now and I am so happy with the results. It has helped clear up my acne and has also helped with the texture of my skin. Number 4. Rodan Fields Redefine Intensive Renewing Serum. Are you looking for a way to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? This serum is designed to do just that, promoting a more youthful look. It helps improve your skin texture, making it smoother and more radiant. This serum is packed with vitamin A and a potent retinol complex. These ingredients are known for their ability to reduce wrinkles and give your skin a youthful glow. It's an essential addition to your nightly skincare routine. Dry skin? Not anymore. This serum provides intense hydration, combating dryness and boosting moisture. Experience the moisturizing benefits for a fresh, glowing complexion. Use this serum to help repair and renew your skin overnight. It's a powerful addition to your personal care routine, leaving you with a fresh, plump look in the morning. This product targets deep wrinkles and fine lines while hydrating your skin. It's a vital part of our facial skincare line, helping you achieve a more youthful appearance. What we like? This serum is packed with vitamin A and retinol to reduce wrinkles and boost your glow. It also provides intense hydration, combating dryness. If you like a product that targets deep wrinkles and fine lines while hydrating, you should consider it. What people say. The Spotless Regimen has been a game changer for my skin. I have been using the Spotless Regimen for a few weeks now and I am already seeing a difference in my skin. I have been using the Spotless Regimen for a few weeks now and I am already seeing a difference in my skin. Number 3. Rodan Fields Redefine Daily Face Clay Cleanser. This gentle cleanser and makeup remover is perfect for sensitive skin. It effectively removes impurities while being kind to your complexion. This exfoliating face wash helps target visible signs of aging. You can enjoy a refreshed complexion with reduced fine lines, wrinkles, and improved tone and texture. Enjoy a deep cleanse and optimal skincare results with this gentle face cleanser. It removes daily buildup and preps your skin for better absorption of anti-aging products. This nourishing face wash hydrates while gently cleansing. It works with your skincare routine to promote a youthful-looking complexion. This gentle, anti-aging cleanser is designed to benefit all skin types, particularly those with oily skin concerns. It's a great addition to any skincare routine. What we like? This gentle cleanser is designed for all skin types, especially those with oily skin. It effectively removes impurities while being kind to your complexion. If you have sensitive or oily skin and want a gentle yet effective cleanser, you should consider this. What people say. The cleanser is the best I have ever used. I would definitely recommend. It cleans and exfoliates wonderfully. The tube lasts quite a while as you only need a pea-sized amount for each half of your face. Make skin feel extra clean and smooth with nice clean scent. Number 2. Rodan Fields Soothe Rescue Cream 1.7 ounces. Are you tired of dealing with dry, sensitive skin? This cream is designed to provide deep hydration. It's perfect for both men and women. This moisturizer offers intense hydration, working day and night. It helps to soothe and calm your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. If you have eczema-prone skin, this cream can help. It's formulated to provide the care and relief you need. Use it as part of your daily routine. This product is versatile, suitable for use anytime. Apply it in the morning and evening for best results. It's a simple step for healthier skin. This product comes in a convenient 1.7 ounce size. It's easy to carry and use whenever you need it. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This moisturizer provides deep hydration for dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. It can be used both day and night. If you have dry or sensitive skin that needs intense hydration, you should consider this. What people say. This face moisturizer excellent for keeping my skin moist and looking very young. Wife loves this moisturizing cream. He face never dries out during the day now. This cream is amazing. After using over 10 different creams under her makeup, this is finally the one which keeps moisture in, and at the end of the day her skin is still looking great. This has really helped control rosacea on my face. Feels good, too. Number 1. Rodan Fields Unblemish Acne Treatment. Are you struggling with adult breakouts? This treatment is designed to target blemishes. It helps you achieve clearer, smoother skin. This treatment uses benzoyl peroxide to clear blemishes and prevent future breakouts. It also contains ceramides to soothe redness and hydrate your skin. This formula helps regulate oiliness for a healthy, balanced complexion. It provides essential hydration to improve uneven tone and texture. Created with the unique needs of adult skin in mind, this treatment offers solutions backed by skincare expertise. The formula blends known ingredients that specifically target adult breakouts. This versatile treatment is specially formulated for sensitive skin and can be used daily. It delivers blemish-fighting power alongside essential hydration, easily fitting into your skincare routine. What we like. This treatment targets blemishes and prevents future breakouts. It also hydrates and smooths your complexion. If you are struggling with adult breakouts and want to refine your skin, you should consider this. What people say. My daughter is using this product and loves it. It made a difference in her skin in just a few days. Great product, works as described. My complexion continues to improve every day. My daughter, age 35, and my granddaughter, age 17, have been using this product for years and they both swear by it. I am totally impressed with the improvement in their complexions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.